Hi guys, wake up call here, and we're gonna continue with the stock market. Now we're gonna talk about meme stocks, the uh, stocks that are moving the stock market and the world of trade and markets in this year, and that's the GameStop and AMC and all other meme stocks that are into. It turns out that from a rigid group website that are Wall Street bets, they're having a conversation there in what stock they're gonna go, and it's a huge group of people and a movement. Actually, a lot of people are buying these stocks, especially GameStop and IMC. So the price of these stocks went up so much, because these two companies were broke companies, and after this that happened from Reddit side, Wall Street Bets, they decided the price of these stocks to go up, and it's going up so much. So if we do a comparison in the last year, GameStop stock was worthing around $10, and then in January it blew everybody up when the price went to $350. Then the hedge funds in the Wall Street that are owning uh, most of the shares in the stock market, like 70% or 80, they decide of the price of the stock market. This is why it was a battle between David and Goliath, and the Goliath won again. So Wall Street Bet won with GameStop and IMC stocks, because the price went so up. And after that, there was in some days there were restrictions in the platforms from selling, like Robinhood, like WeBull, and they do the shorting. The hedge funds do the shorting. The price, they were betting the price to go down, and immediately after that, in a couple of days or something, I think, yeah, in a couple of days, the stock GameStop went to $50 and then to $37, 37, $38. That was in February 18th. And after that, again, huge buying signal, huge investments in GameStop. So after that, the price went to $265. Then it went down again. So for a lot of investors, this can be a very good stock to buy, because in time it goes up. But Wall Street Bets guys that are doing this on these two shares, like GameStop and IMC, they have 80% of this share now. So this is huge. This is huge. So a lot of people are making money. A lot of people are making millions with these stocks, while others are skeptical. And most of the business sector, they're telling you this is a bubble, don't go in this and stuff. But individual people find a way to gain some money, to become a millionaire or something, and they went in these stocks, and the stocks is going up and down. So last time it went so up, it went like 250 on June 8th, 250, and now it went down to $191, which is still a lot of money. This share, GameStop, is worth a lot of money, and the company made billions of dollars. They were printing different shares. They put them in the system, and people are buying them. especially here. And the other stock I'm gonna tell you about that is IMC Cinemas Holdings, and it was a bankrupt company also, the cinemas, because the last year the stock was worth like $2.50, and then in January it went up to around $20, and then with the hedge funds were doing the shrinking of shares, it went to $12 and then to $5, and then again people were investing in it, so it went $14, and the last time it went from $12 in May 18th to very fast period to $26, and then it went up to 60 something, $62, and a little bit fall down to $40 and back to $60, back to $50. So now it's like $48, which is a decent, more than decent price, because a lot of people make money. So if you catch it on the $12 to $60, you're a big winner, man. You can make a lot of money with this. So this movement, this meme stocks, is a kind of fast money movement, and actually they own now, they call themselves apes, and they knock on the chest like, oh, we are the apes and stuff, you know. But they're getting a momentum also. This share, I think, is gonna go more up because they're holding here on the $50, and maybe it's gonna go $100 very soon. But will you gonna invest in these meme stocks? I don't know what will happen with these meme stocks, because it's good when it's like $15 to go to $60. That's huge thing to happen, and we don't know about that. But the owner of IMC, this company wanted to print 25 more millions of share to put them in the stock markets, but they say after the listening from the Wall Street bets and the AMC holders and investors in this, they decided not to do it, because they don't like the share to go down, and a lot of new shares to have, so the value of the share will be interrupted. But so the CEO decided to go on the way with the apes. So this is a huge movement. Wall Street bets, apes, huge movement is getting so much into it. But I will advise you, when the share is really down, then to buy it. I will not advise you to buy it at this moment. If you have a lot of money, yeah, you can buy it now. But if you are not with so much money, you can get entrapped in this kind of shares, and you will lose most of your money, because when it's going down from $60, maybe it's gonna go to $30, and you're gonna sell it because you're not experienced, and you're gonna lose half of your money. That's why be careful, wait for the dip. Maybe it's gonna go to $30, and then buy it. Buy more shares. You can double your shares, and then maybe it's gonna go to $90, $100 for IMC. And for the GameStop, I'm gonna tell you now, it's a little bit down, the GameStop, because all the stock market went down in this couple of days, in this week. So now it's $191, the GameStop, but it was $300 in June 7th. So $300 now is $191. Still, for the people that have a lot of money, can invest in it. from the Wall Street movement, they like to hold. They like to hold most of the shares to go up, and they decide where to sell it. But if it's around 150, you can go in it, the GameStop, and probably it's gonna go 350 again. Thank you very much. See you with other videos when we're gonna talk about what shares bring me luck, bring me money on the stock market. I will share you 5 best stocks next time on the video. I wasn't involved in the meme stocks trading in GameStop and AMC. The Apes, I wasn't involved. I'm just watching. I tried a little bit when the price was down, but it went like $5-10 down. So I sold it, but it was like some 2-3 shares, nothing much. See you with other videos. Comment, subscribe, like to these videos, and see you tomorrow.